Hi Jazz House Kids community, my name is Leehogans. I'm a trumpet player, producer, and mixing engineer. And I'm excited to tell you about my new class called Production and Recording, which is part of the Jazz House Kids Jazz in June online sessions. The class will be every Thursday at 4 p.m. in June, and we will be covering topics ranging from songwriting and recording to producing and mixing your own music. I've been fortunate enough to work in the studio with some legendary musicians, including Prince, Marcus Miller, Missy Elliott, and Mark Ronson. And I've also produced songs for Kids Bop and for companies like Levi's and Toyota. In this new environment, I feel we have the opportunity to take advantage of learning to record and produce our own music from the safety of our homes. After you finish this class, you will have the skills to present your music for the world to hear. So whether you've been playing an instrument for years or you're just starting to create your own beats, this class is for you.
Hi, I'm founder and president Melissa Walker.
And I'm Artistic Director Christian McBride.
Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more great content from Jazz House Kids.
And don't forget, your support makes our mission possible at the Jazz House and online. Links are in the description.